AAMBY City. Live larger. Ready to live a 100-acre life? Hoskote, dubbed as New Bangalore, poised for excellent growth. This industrial hub is being developed as a satellite town with integrated infrastructure development. It is well connected to prime locations within Bangalore like MG Road, Puram, Devanahalli, Kempegowda International Airport, Budhigere Cross, Marathahalli, etc. Welcome to AAMBY City, the biggest 100-acre gated community. Luxurious lifestyle project nested in Hoskote outstretches the gateway of chanting splendorous beauty that spreads at the backdrop of a lovely lakeside. 21 beautifully landscaped parks with exciting sports activities, exquisitely designed roundabouts and tree-lined avenues, well-maneuvered STP and OHT make AAMBY City a soothing serene green. AAMBY City is well set in 100 acres with futuristic plotted development. Choose from well-crafted and clear title sites in dimensions of 30 by 40, 40 by 50, 40 by 60 and 50 by 80. These super luxury villa plots are well equipped with all the lifestyle amenities, including 7 acres of lush greenery and soul-stirring ambience, making you feel peace and pleasant for the rest of your life. Built around a balance between pure enjoyment and a healthy environment, it is adorned with tree-lined avenues and interspersed landscapes. It offers a complete range of new amenities for luxurious comfy stay. Enjoy access to 3-star club resort spread across 7 acres is a state-of-the-art with breathtaking vistas offering quality, elegant and exclusive amenities in 100,000 square feet. The reception is inspiring with distinctive and exceptionally styled interiors, which creates an exciting sense of arrival for every traveler. The space is carefully sculpted to awake every sense to experience pure bliss, which makes stay here ripe with possibilities. The resort offers many leisure options like dine-in restaurant, club fitness facility, banquet hall, and an outdoor pool for an ultimate comforting splash. The pavilion set right on the bank of the pool offers a rare exclusive opportunity to the outdoor in peaceful seclusion and comfort. The elegant signature restaurant is the heart of the resort. Surroundings are designed to reflect the mood of the moment, warm in the morning and atmospheric in the night. The lounge tranquil in the poolside offers a perfect antidote for tired limbs after a hectic day. Spa Hub delivers unique and experienced personalized therapies to soothe, restore, replenish the body, mind and spirit from within. The design of the spa is true to its signature, natural style, providing intimate, relaxing warmth for guests and blends seamlessly with resort's splendid spaces. The resort offers wide range of facilities within your reach, from health club, jacuzzi, meditation hall, yoga center, bowling alley, go-karting, squash, lawn tennis, badminton, billiards, table tennis, children's play area, etc. The guest rooms offer an aura of luxury and comfort, carefully designed and equipped with vast array of amenities to satisfy the travel needs. The resort offers a luxury banquet hall which combines classic elegance with modern design with a tranquil, serene outdoor lawn setting. Perfect for an extended break with its idyllic location and world-class amenities, AAMBY City is the first digital signature project approved from HPA with e-Khatha. A futuristic proposal for Rs 1,400 crore Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, just opposite to the AAMBY City, offers a doorway to its property appreciation. AAMBY City.